guys, today I am going to show you how to do split rings and shuttle tatting. Split rings are great for moving from round to round without having to cut and tie off your thread. And I'm going to be doing these split rings in two colors. Split rings can be one color or they can be two. And split rings are very easy to make. What you do is you will start by making half of your ring like normal. Now that you have made the first half of the ring, you will set aside the shuttle you are working with and grab your other shuttle. And now, I like to put the stitches I have made on my thumb here because that makes it easier to do. Now to make your other half of the stitches, what you do is you will not flip your stitches from this thread to your ring thread. Because if you flip your stitches, that means the ring will not close. Now you will start making your stitches and you will make them backwards. That is your first stitch. Now you will just continue doing that until you have made all your stitches. And when I first started doing them, I was always confused because people do them a couple different ways, but I like to do my stitches backwards so that the stitches look like they are facing the right way. Okay. Now we have made the second half of the stitches. Now all you do is close your ring, and there you have a split ring. Thank you for watching this video, and please hit the like and subscribe button below so you will get notified for all my newest videos.